Good day. Welcome. This is your Daily Med with a Lady V. Grace and peace be multiplied. Today we want to look at Proverbs chapter 31 from verse 25 and 26. It says to us, strength and honor are her clothing, and she shall rejoice in time to come. She openeth her mouth with wisdom, and in her tongue is the law of kindness. We know quite well this story in Proverbs chapter 31, and we hear this woman being referred to as a virtuous woman. Today the Bible talks about her strength, but her strength comes from fearing the Lord. The joy of the Lord is her strength. So can these words be used to describe who we are? Can we imagine being like this woman? The questions are you clothed in strength and dignity because you know the one who clothes you is a good father, the one who cares for each of his children? He is God. The Bible says when we trust him, when we fear him, we can laugh at the days to come, because we know that in the depths of our souls that we are firmly protected, or we are standing firmly because of the creator of the universe, and we are standing in his strength. The Proverbs 31 woman laughs at what is to come because she replaces fear of the future with reverence for the Lord. She does not fret about what she cannot see, because she knows that each of her days are clearly seen and orchestrated by a God who is immensely powerful and loving. Therefore, she puts her trust in him and rely upon his strength. Proverbs has a lot to say about this woman and other women, because in the book of Proverbs we see it like this. But he ends with this woman, a virtuous wife, a woman of strong character, a woman with great wisdom, many skills, and great compassion. This woman is an excellent wife and mother. She is also a manufacturer, an importer, a manager, a realtor, a farmer. She's a seamstress. She does upholstering, and she is a merchant. The Bible says her strength and dignity just did not come from her amazing achievements. It is a result of her reverence for God. In our society where physical appearance counts for so much, it may surprise us to realize that her appearance were never mentioned. Her attractiveness comes entirely from her character, that which comes from within. She has understanding. She has outstanding abilities. Her family's social position is high. In fact, she is an inspiration to all those who would choose to be inspired by her. So we can learn from her industry, from her integrity and resourcefulness. She has no time, as we'll see, to engage in shallow, unproductive activities. But the Bible tells us, yes, she is very active in the positive things and the things that allows her to take care of her household. So today, women of God, let us look to God. Let us fear Him so that we can be strengthened in whatsoever we do, knowing that we do not have to fear the future, but trust God. And like this virtuous woman laughs about the days that is ahead, the days that is to come, because her trust is not in her activities. Her trust is not in her own strength, but it is because she fears God. God bless you. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe. It is free. Like, share, and also comment. And continue to visit my YouTube channel, Daily Med with Lady V.